Here we have the new engine, and these are the injectors that I just put into the fuel rail. And this is the insulator that goes on top of it. I'll stick that in there, and then I'll put the intake on top. Down here is the old intake. It's kind of oily on the inside. Can't really see in there, but it's pretty nasty. And flip it over and look at the throttle body. That's pretty nasty. So this is the old engine. This is cylinder number 1. Can't really see in there. It's not too bad for a direct injected engine. And this is cylinder 4. That was the problem child. All that right there in the front's got to come off, and it has to go over to the new one. Here's the new one, fully dressed. Fan clutch, water pump, tensioner. There's my wire harness that I installed. Wraps around all over the place. Just kind of double checking to make sure everything's plugged in. The high pressure fuel pump, that's the fuel rail. Runs across, then down, goes underneath, and plugs into the fuel rail where the injectors are. EGR and the cooler system. And the oil feed tube down there at the bottom for the turbo. And the flywheel off the old engine. And there's the old engine, just bare bones. Going back as a core. I can't tear it open to actually let you guys see the piston, but this is the exhaust side. This is cylinder number 4 right here where it's real oily at. And that's basically it.